here we are in February 2016, and the project of establishing the Tshimologong Precinct is now going with a lot of energy and a lot of progress. We are here in my offices, but all around us, it's a huge building site. So we will probably pick up a lot of noise as I talk to you, but it's quite exciting. The status of where we are and just what's been happening, we reached the end of last year with a lot of things hanging in the balance and a lot of bits that had to be tied together. And through the December break into January, many of those loose ends have been tied up. So the big thing, I guess, is that provincial government, Gauteng provincial government, has now made a firm commitment to what we're doing, and it's now taken the form of an agreement, and money's changed hands, so they're definitely on board. And the big initiative Gauteng is looking at is creating what is called a DAV Center, Design and Evaluation Center, which will be located in one of our buildings here in the hub. The idea behind the DAV Center is that it'll be part of the province's procurement processes. So when they buy any ICT hardware or software, it will be evaluated and demonstrated within the DAV Center. So we expect a stream of innovative products being brought into the DAV Center to show what vendors have in any of the areas that are interesting to the provincial government. This falls under the new Provincial Department of E-Government, and we're going to run the DAV Center here. The other thing the DAV Center will do is try and promote innovation in things that are interesting to e-government. So things in health, things in traffic and transport, things in safety and security, in education, will all be brought into this DAV Center. In terms of physical stuff, will be brought into our space, and our entrepreneurs and other people will get a chance to work with this technology. So that's the DAV Center, and it's very exciting. The other thing that we've secured is a formal link with the Gauteng Innovation Hub that's in Pretoria, and they will be creating a small incubator within our space here, which will be called Maxim Digital or some such name, and that will promote games and app innovation and incubation. So that's our strong link with the province. The other partners are all on board. There are a few more in the pipeline. And the big thing now is building. We are constructing the hub. In a few weeks' time, by the end of February, we expect IBM to move into their new lab, and it's looking really stunning. And then the rest of what we're calling phase one, which is from Founders Square, covering all the buildings to the east of Founders Square, will become usable within the next 2 months or so. So huge energy happening here. And then in the DIS, we've got a sponsorship from Google, and we're going to start to make the DIS a much more fun and well-connected space. So that's where we are at the start of 2016.